Fans, ba paka biaye, nembo ofori. Ba paka biaye nembo for simply means nobody knows tomorrow. It will interest you to know that nobody knows that SYMFONI will be the governor of Rivers State up to now. To them, it will not last for more than 2 days. I am here with my colleagues, the former Speaker, Rivers State National Assembly, former Speaker Adams Obatwadima, Honorable Prince Piccolo, Honorable Christian Ayakwa, and a leader of a non-indigenous Gingery. I stand here to represent my leader, my boss. He is the leader of the state, the owner of the structure. Ama Opu Senebo, Seminalaye Joseph Fobara, GSSROS, the executive governor of Rivers State. You will not like it, but God has made it so. They will not like it, but God has made it so. I am so overwhelmed. I am the Director General Simplified Movement worldwide. But today, I have gotten another pressure group called Simplicity Movement. To support me to liberate the people. This Simplicity group will complement Simplified Movement to ensure that we bring out all our people, the organic people. I know that everybody, all those who are here, you are not being paid. Are you being paid? No. This is organic support. It can only come out and stand under the sun, under the rain, to someone you love. Not be so? I was surprised to see Asa Abuja. Asa Abuja want to kill us. By the time he will do one video, you will not know whether he's on the other side or he's in this side. But I'm happy with you. Today, he made a public declaration that come rain, come shine, you are with SYMFONI 100%. Thank you so much. Now, I can now have your number. I cannot have my number because we're in the same boat. He was doing those videos just to make corrections, to let our people who are in position know that even an insider can also correct you. He was not doing it to sabotage the system. He was doing it to tell us that we must use the money judiciously. The money is for the people and should be used for the people. That is what he was doing. And I believe that is your intention. Thank you so much. Let me also thank the man who would have been a governor. The man who would have been but this is not his time will come. So he decided to join his brother. He said, I must collapse my structure to join my brother. A man who has few words. A man who does not talk much. A man who does not incite people against another person. Sir, similarly Joseph Fobara. But Papa, I want to say thank you so much. We used to know ourselves very well in those good days, but now I don't know him again. When the going was good, in those good days, we used to be together. But now, by God, we have all advanced. But let me say this. The governor said, I should thank all of you for coming out in your numbers to support him. And that he's not going to take this day and you for granted. And he's also going to take your leaders, more especially your national leader, closely. He's going to be part of the system. If your leader is recognized, are you not recognized? If after Abuja is recognized, are you not recognized? All the generals and leaders must be recognized in this system. So if you are supporting a good papa, or as Abuja or any other general, go home and sleep with your two eyes closed. Governor is not a braggart. Governor is a man who talks and also implements. Yesterday, 2 days ago, they said they are the fake Ijaw people. They say so. A Ijaw man does not need to come out to say I'm a Ijaw man. You will know the Ijaw man by his. No, so. You don't need to go and tell people I'm a Ijaw man. There. Who is a better Ijaw man there than me? Or who is a better Ijaw man there than the great papa? If you're a Ijaw man, you don't need to brag. When INC will speak, you will hear. When IYC will speak, they will when INC will speak, they will So, those people, thank you. Those people you saw 2 days ago, we don't beg people to come and take award. A job as we are proud people. Our award is we value awards. That was a ceremonial award. Some of them, let us not go there. Yesterday, in the church here, governor said, if he had donated his liver, he wouldn't have been having problems. The kidney, he wouldn't have been having this. But because he refused, they have been sabotaging him, wanting to drive out all the investors in the state. Will you allow that? No. See what they said 2 days ago in their kangaroo Ijaw meeting. In their kangaroo Ijaw meeting, they said that they send boys with dynamite to go and dynamite their function. You know our governor. You know our system. Can governor do such a thing? No. When you want to kill a dog, you call him a bad name. Because they went to this way, there's no road. They went to this way, that they are now looking for an opportunity. Will it work? No. Now, let me just say this. You may ask, what is the offense of the governor? Because he said, I must use rivers money for rivers. That is the offense. That is just the simple offense he has committed. We in law we call it simple. They see it as a grave, very grave offense. If you are giving them all the resources, will he be having this problem? Okay, you said you are the one that designed the ring road. Yes. Is the money coming from you? No. Yes, you designed the ring road. Are you the one that paid for it? No. One thing is to design, and that one is execute. Who know the man that execute is the man that initiated the project, and the project is also ongoing. And we don't want to talk about that ring road. The ring road he's talking about that he designed. He designed it for himself, not for other people. But time will come, we'll tell Rivers people. The reason for that ring road today is not for that one. Let me thank all of you for this wonderful outing. I can assure you that you will never regret coming out to support our governor. A peacemaker. When you say a peacemaker, the peacemaker himself. Give it to Good Papa. This man will not come back to River State. Give it to Asa Abuja Chai. He will not even land in Nabagwa. He will land. So, I am happy that I have gotten a pressure group, a movement. It is a movement that is comprised of all the political parties here. We have Labour, we have APP, we have PDP, we have YPP. All the political parties are here. Labour Party,